That's a strawberry. This is sourdough strawberry. Look at this. What? Yeah. No words. I can't believe how well it turned out. I was so worried it was gonna burst in all different places. That's why I was poking holes all over it. Okay, what's next? I want to figure out how to do grapes. I don't know if that's possible. All right, we'll come back and we'll cut this one open. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Like, follow, and share. Thank you for all your love and support. This is just so fun. This whole fruit series is so fun. Now I want to redo the dragon fruit because I have ideas for that too. Have a good one, you guys. Have a great day.